Happy morning, children. I hope you are all fine. I am also fine. I am glad to meet you in the video session. And last class, we discussed in the microorganism about the viruses and bacteria. You done well. And this session, we are going to discuss about fungi, algae, protista, microbes in medicines, role of microbes in agriculture. You come to the end, fungi. It is a lack of chlorophyll because you see the color of the mushroom. There is no green color, so only it is called as a absence of chlorophyll, and it may be a unicellular or multicellular. The study of the fungi is called as a mycology, and it is a macroscopic. That is a mushroom is a macroscopic. Nearly 70,000 species of fungi present in the world. For unicellular, the best example is the yeast. It is you see the page number 73. It is a oval in shape. It is having the cell membrane. It is having the cell membrane, cell wall, and nucleus. And cytoplasm is a granular and has a vacuoles. It has the vacuoles and involved in the fermentation process along with the enzyme synase, and it respire anaerobically. In the absence of the oxygen, it respire. Next one is a multicellular. For the multicellular, is a mushroom is the best example. At the time of the rainy season, everyone able to see this shape of the fungi. It is also coming under the fungi multicellular, and it is a top. It is called as a umbrella-like structure. Shaped structure grow above the soil, that is called as a fruiting body, and below the air umbrella structure small split like structure, that is called as a gills. In that gills only spores are present. Align the word spores. The next one is a mycelium. The mycelium is located above the soil under the fruiting body. Mycelium is present above the soil and under the fruiting body. Below the fruiting body, the mycelium is present. Later, it is converted into hyphae. This is called underground hyphae, and this one is called as a hyphae. It helps in the transport of the nutrients. Unlike the word transport of the nutrients for the growth of the mushroom, and reproduction is fragmentations as well as the spore formation. By two methods, the reproductions are occurs, and there are three type of the fungi based on the intake of their nutrients. One is called as a saprophytes. Saprophytes means totally depend on the non-living organism. Example rhizopus. And another one is called as a parasite. Parasite means totally depend on the living organism. Example Vixino. And symbionts. Symbionts means mutual benefit. That is called as a symbionts. Example Mycorrhizae. It is occur in the root of vascular plants. Next one is called as a algae. You see that color. By seeing the color itself, you are able to identify it is chlorophyll pigment is occur because it's green in color. They having the mostly rich in chlorophyll, and it occur in the upper surface of the water. Look like a grass of water. Look like a grass of water because of the presence of the chlorophyll pigment, green pigment. It involved in the process called photosynthesis, and study of the algae is called phycology. And unicellular, it is three types based on the same spherical, rod as well as the spindle. Page number 74 having the pictures. The first three diagrams are responsible for the spherical, rod and spindle. Climbromodus is a spherical shape, and rod spindle is a valvus, and rod shape is called as a eulothorax. And multicellular, it may be a filamentous or branched structure. The fistula, vulva, and hydrodiacton is an example for the branch or multicellular. And cell structure of Chlamydomonas, there are two type of the end. One is called as a this one is called as anterior end, and this one is down is called as a posterior end. The anterior end compared to the posterior end, the anterior end is a narrower and posterior end is a broader. Two type of the membrane is present in the anterior end, having the what is that flagella. It is called as a flagella. The flagella is used for the locomotions, and below the flagella, at the base of the flagellum, they have the contractile vacuoles are present. Contractile vacuoles are present, and cup shaped. The chloroplast, see the structure, it look like a one cup. So it is called as a cup shaped chloroplast, nucleus and protoplasm. These are all present. and a tiny a red spot eye spot is present in the anterior end. And based on the pigment, it is classified into four types: fucoxanthin, xanthophyll, picoerythrin, and phycocyanin. Fucoxanthin means brown pigment, and xanthophyll means yellow pigment, picoerythrin red pigment, and phycocyanin is called as a blue pigments. Based on the pigment, it is classified into. So the next one is called as a protozoa. It is coming under the protista kingdom, is called as a protista. Study of the protozoa is called as a protozoology. It causes the diseases. It is causing the in diseases in the plants, animals, cells, and tissues. Range from there 2 to 200 microns. Based on the behind the special organelles, that organs are involved in the movements, feedings, and functions. Based on the presence of the based on the the protozoans are classified based on the cilia or flagella. It is classified four types: amoeba, there is no organ, so it is called pseudopodia; and cilia like structure throughout over the surface of the body, ciliates; and sporozoa, spore like structure, that is sporozoa. It is non-model, not move from one place to another place. And next one is called as flagella is present, so it is called as a flagellate. Flagellate, the euglena is the example for the flagellate, and for that cilia is the example for the paramecium. Paramecium example for the ciliate. Paramecium is example for the ciliate, and flagella euglena is example for the flagella. Okay, next one is called structure of amoeba. Already know about it. Is irregular shape structure. It irregular shape structure. There is no false foot is present, so it is called as a pseudopodia, and it helps to catch a prey. Prey means there is a nutrients or any type of the insect or algae, that is called as a prey, and it engulfs the without engulfs the food materials wholly, so it is called as a phagocytosis, and reproduces by the two method. One is called as a fission, other one is called as a sporulations. Sporulations, up to that five type of the classification over. The next one is that the microbes involved in the medicines, agriculture industries, and our daily life. First is the medicines. Two type of the medicine. One is called as antibiotics, another one is called as a vaccine. The antibiotics, whatever the diseases occur means immediately the doctor put their antibiotic injection to increase their antibodies in our body, that is called as antibiotic. First discovered by the Alexander Fleming in the year 1928 from the fungi called Penicillium chrysogenum. Penicillium chrysogenum, and the antibiotic name is called streptomycin. From the bacteria is called Streptomyces bacteria to cure their plague disease. Next one is called as a vaccine. So normally from the newborn baby to up to 16 years, having the lot of the medicine, lot of the vaccines we want to give to their child to protect from the different type of the diseases. The first discovered vaccine was discovered by the scientist called Edward Jenner. He is the only first person to discover the vaccine for smallpox. He coined the term vaccination, and the vaccine is injected to the body of the patient. What will happen is antibody is produced to fight against the diseases, not only at the time of the diseases occurs, throughout their life. That is the main important. For example, where BCG is provide to the children means throughout the life the children is not affected by the diseases, tuberculosis diseases. MMR, the MMR is the triple antigen. Triple antigen means it cures the three type of the diseases: measles, mumps, and rubella. Like this, three type of the diseases are cured by the MMR vaccine. So only it is called as a triple antigen. The next one is called as a role of the microbes in agriculture. There are three types. One is called as a natural fertilizer, nitrogen fixation, and biocontrol agent. Natural fertilizer means automatically what are the unwanted waste from the plants and animals. It is decomposed in the soil. By the decomposition process, it increase the soil fertility or increase the amount of the nitrate in the soil. That is called as a soil fertility. The main role is by the microbes. Without the microbes, just imagine there is no microbes in the earth. That means what will happen? So many waste and all not decomposed, and occupy the most part of the earth. Next, nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen fixation means it fixes the atmospheric nitrogen in the form of and convert in the form of nitrates to provide to the plant. This is called as nitrogen fixation. Best example, rhizobium is occur in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means groundnut plant. So, and other examples also, it is called as a cyanobacteria, Nastar. It is also fixed the nitrogen. Next, biocontrol agent. So, if you raise the aircraft means so many problems are faced by the farmers for the because of the diseases, bacterial diseases, viral diseases, fungi diseases, and the arthropods, insects. These are all controlled by the some type of the same medicines also obtained from the bacteria and viruses. This is called as a biocontrol agent. Bacillus thuringiensis, it protect the content plant from the insect, and trichoderma, it controls the pathogens of the root of the plant, and baculoviruses, it attack the insects and other arthropods, other insect. It is prepared from the viruses, and trichoderma is prepared from the fungi. Okay, this is the role of the microbes in agriculture. Okay, for past 3 days the climate is not good, so each and every children we want to drink more water and protect your health. Okay, thank you. The remaining headings you will see on the next classes.